my phone. Now I'm glad you're gone, I'd rather be alone. So tell me what you want, tell me what you need. Tired of trying just for you to leave. I was so sad just staring at my phone.
And then I think this is ooh, our favorite.
아직 있어?
초딩 I'm 초딩.
You know your house might make this and the corner one I think also. You know your OK 嘛？他们讲要厕所的那种。
Already 12.
Alright.
I want to talk to you.
Not now, later.
No, now.
You never wanna pick up. You never wanna do the things that are inconvenient. You say you're gonna pull up, but I know you only come if you think that makes us even. If I would've stayed till you're okay, I know by now. You tell all your friends that I'm obsessed. Now let's get real. What is it you want? You want me here, but back up a little. So I give you space just like you said, and now I'm evil. Bow 3 times, grab a protractor, measure distance between us all. Always ask first in the call, Mr. Rogers, if you're drinking from the well. I'm suburbanly suburban, in case you couldn't tell. With my shell with the belt, grab it real good. Keep my pants far from hell, looking real good. Got me wrapped up in a bow, Orient flow. Well, minor rapper, so I end it with. If I would've stayed till you're okay, I know by now. You tell all your friends that I'm obsessed. Now let's get real. What is it you want? You want me here, but back up a little. So I give you space just like you said, and now I'm If I could do anything now, baby, maybe I would kick you out like you laid on rent now. If I could say anything now, baby, maybe I would cut my phone, leave you on your own now. Leave me on my own now. If I were to stay till you're okay, I know by now. If I were to stay now, you tell all your friends that I'm obsessed now. Let's get real. Why gotta lie like what is it you want? You want me here, but back up and let it leave me now. So I'll give you space just like you said, and now I'm evil.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is not a fine dining, it's a fun dining. So relax and enjoy yourself as we'll be embarking on a fun dining journey together with Le Petit Chef. You may place your face mask inside the envelope provided once your dishes are served. And lastly, there's one strict rule in the house that we 2 small favors from everyone. And now that's done, you may now open the book in front of you. Once again, you may now open the book in front of you, flip it to the middle page and flatten the book out. Ask you a very important question, and that question is, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready?
Ready?
Alright, I believe
Boop! Haha, you made a funny face. Me, I started. Ready,
practices. Feel free to join in to learn on how we say enjoy your meal and cheers to your good health. To pick up the jug and you may pour the entire rich seafood stock into the main dish which is in front of you.
Bon appétit. 이거 진짜 된장찌개 같아.
And in the count of 3, we'll all say saute together. So if everyone's ready, here we go in 3, 2, 1.
Saute.
Ladies and gentlemen, saute.
소태.
Mon Dieu, I survived. Never again.
Thank you.
Bon appetit. The Arabic way of saying it will be Bilhana with Shifa. Bilhana with Shifa. Bill
Shifa?
like Bill Gates.
Shifa?
Hannah like Hannah Montana. Where he had some seaweed with you to enjoy your meal. That's again Bilhana.
잘 먹겠습니다.
Alright, thank you. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are in India right now.
My favorite chips.
Everyone should raise your glasses, and in the count of 3, we shall all say Muggle Chi together.
Magerchi.
If you're ready, here we go in 3, 2, 1.
Magerchi.
Muggle Chi. Buckle up and let's continue with the journey.
Marco,
막걸리.
Polo.
Right on top of the highest mountain in the world, Mount Everest of the Himalayas. Be careful as the one pour.
레몬 주스. 짜란. Finish.
Beijing.
Special about the color red from our executive Chinese sous chef, Chef Aaron Zhang. To raise your glasses, and in the count of 3, we shall all do Yam Sing together. So if you're ready, here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Yam Sing. Let's continue with the journey.
Especially for you, my signature dessert. I hope you enjoy.
가지마.
You'll see a tattoo-like figure projecting on your hands. This will be another great photo opportunity with the ones that you came with here today. Ladies and gentlemen, enjoy your dessert, and once again, bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Media page. Also, don't forget to take pictures at our photo wall, which is going to see all of you here again soon. Happy New Year and thank you.